Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control board in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the refrigerator door and unthread the light bulb from the control board housing. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the mounting screws to release the control board housing from the liner. Pull the tab to disconnect the wire harness. Use a flathead screwdriver to help release the control board assembly. Disconnect the wire connectors. Install the new control board by first connecting the wire connectors. Then snap the board into place in the housing. Returning to the refrigerator, connect the wire harness. Align the housing on the liner, then thread the 2 mounting screws. Rethread the light bulb. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.